Welcome to Fort Hood on Friday. Our special today is catfish. We have chicken enchiladas. We have barbecue brisket. We have pepper steaks. We have macaroni and cheese, mashed potatoes, Spanish rice, corn au brine, white rice, gravy, and mixed vegetables with it, and dinner rolls. And we come over to the salad bar. We got the tossed salads, spinach, cucumbers, tomatoes. We got diced ham, diced eggs. We have chicken salad. We have onions, broccoli. We have mixed fruit. We have cauliflower, and we have juicy watermelon. Then we have the baked potato bar, and we have the dressing, and the soup of the day is broccoli cheese soup.
So come on down to Club Hood and
come on down to Club Hood
and wish Miss Helen a happy birthday. And we'll see you today.